What's up everyone? So the Oneplus 8T is one of the best devices OnePlus has to offer right now. And with that comes the latest updates from OnePlus. So today we have the OxygenOS 11.0.2.3 update from OnePlus that contains quite a lot of fixes to the common issues you guys were facing, such as that no icon issue in launcher. Anyways, let's have a look at all the changes we get with the latest update for OnePlus 8T. First of all, if you wish to update your device to the latest version, you can either wait for the OTA update notification to pop up on your device or just download Oxygen Updater application from the Google Play Store. Now open the application and tap on this download update button. So this will download the zip file of this update, and once it's done, simply go to settings. Now go to system. In here choose system updates from the list and tap on this gear icon on the top right corner. Now choose local upgrade from the list and choose the zip file we just downloaded. So this will start installing the update. Now wait for a couple of minutes max and then click on this reboot button. So you will be taken to the OxygenOS 11.0.2.3 on the next boot. Yes, it's that simple. But I would still advise you to wait for the OTA update notification to come on your device. So I hope you have completed all these steps, and now let's have a quick look at the changelog. So starting off with the new features, well, nothing new has been added in this update as such, but there are many bug fixes in this one. First of all, in the system part, we have a couple of changes, and the first one states improved power consumption and heating issues, which I got to know from some of you. The screen on time that I was getting was around 5 hours on 120Hz, which was good because that smoothness does take its toll on the battery backup. And this update will fix those issues for some of you who were facing it after the last update. And things do seem good as of now, though I am still testing this one. And before we move over to the next section, let's check out the benchmark scores first. So in the previous version, this OnePlus 8T used to score 876 in the single core department and 3116 in the multi-core department, which was a bit lesser than the previous version already. And now with the latest update, this device scores 891 in the single core and 3218 in the multi-core department, which seems like a good jump than the previous version in case you are into numbers. Second one in this list is another bug fix where the icons used to disappear from the launcher, specifically in app drawer and desktop sometimes. Though I didn't face this issue, but some of you did, so that has also been taken care of with this update. Third one in the system part is, well, the most commonly used line that states improved system stability and fixed known issues. And time will tell whether that is the case or not, though there weren't much issues before the update even, so let's see how it goes. Moving on to the next fix, and that is with this Bluetooth stability. So it seems like there are new Bluetooth issues with every OnePlus device now, and even the Oneplus Nord was facing latency issues, though in this case they have been taken care of early, and so is the latency part, so you can expect slightly lesser delays with Bluetooth headsets. Still, good to see them fixing it early. And if you are facing the same issue on your device, do let me know in the comment section down below. Moving on to the last two minor changes with this update. So the first one is with the network part, and they have made optimizations to the intelligent 5G feature that sounds like the one we have in iPhone 12. And since we don't have 5G in India right now, it is useless for us, but it might be helpful for those of you who are based out of somewhere like United States. So now the last one in this list is in the gallery part. So the issues with image preview have been taken care of and have probably been fixed with this update. Though I don't see any changes in the camera part, and it has the same version number as before, that is 5.6.17. So don't expect any changes as such in the camera part, as nothing has been mentioned in the changelog even. Anyways, these are all the changes you get in this second update for OnePlus 8T, and I'll be posting a full review of this device really soon. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And do like this video if it helps you out. So I'll see you in the next one.